everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do the informal conversation over the phone in English. Guys, as I have already explained the common phrases used during formal conversation, so if you haven't watched my previous video on the formal conversation over the phone, you can go to the link in my description box below. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. So let's get into the video without wasting any time. Before learning the common phrases used while talking over the phone during informal conversation, it is vital to know what is informal conversation. Friends, informal conversation is with the people whom you know personally, like friends, family. So firstly, let's know about how to begin the call. To begin a call, you can say, "Hi Nisha, it's Shifali." Or you can say, "Hey Nisha, it's Shifali." So you can use either hi or hey. Secondly, after the introduction part, we have to greet someone. For this, you can say, "How's it going?" or "How are you doing?" or you can simply say, "What's up?" Now we know how to greet somebody. But what should be the answers to these questions? Well, when the caller asks you how's it going or how are you doing, you can say great or pretty good, thanks, or not so good. So you can use any of these phrases while answering how's it going or how are you doing, as both of the phrases have the same meaning. But if the caller asks you what's up, then your answer should be different. In this case, you can say not much or nothing much. Friends, what's up means what are you doing, but mostly people mistake this question with how are you. After that, you can ask the same from the caller by saying, "How about you?" Now, what if the person whom you want to talk to doesn't pick the call up, but instead of him or her, somebody else picks the call up? You can ask for that particular person by saying, "Is Nisha there?" or "Is Nisha around?" or "Can I talk to Nisha?" I used can instead of could, as I have already told you that could is used in formal conversation as it describes courtesy, while can be used when you are talking with your friends or family. Now, if that person to whom the caller wants to talk to isn't around you, then you can say, "Sorry, he is not home right now." Or you can say, "He or she is not here." Or if the person is at some work, then you can say, "He or she is still at work." Or if the person has gone to some place, then you can say, "He or she is at the gym," or "He or she is at the tuition." So you can use any of these phrases as per the situation. But if that particular person is around you, then you can ask the caller to wait so that you can give the call to that particular person. This you can do by saying, "Hold on," or you can say, "Hang on a second," or you can say, "Just a minute," or "Just a second." Now this is where most of us usually get stuck while speaking English. When you can't hear the receiver, you don't know what should you say. So if you can't hear the person on the call, you can say, "You are breaking up. Could you call me back?" Breaking up means that you can only hear parts of what the other person is saying, which means that his or her voice is coming in bits and pieces. Or you can say, "We have a bad connection." That means that the network is not working properly. Sometimes you can't hear what the other person is saying. Then you can say, "Sorry, I didn't catch what you just said." Or simply you can say, "What did you say?" or "Could you repeat that?" or "Could you say that again?" The person on call is speaking in a low voice, then you can ask him or her to speak loudly by saying, "Could you speak a little louder?" And if that person is speaking too fastly, then you can ask him or her to slow down by saying, "Could you speak a little more slowly?" If the call cuts due to any network error or by mistake, you can call back and say, Hi, it's Shifali again. Apparently, we got cut off. Cut off is a phrase which means that the call failed or the call disconnected. To end the conversation, we all know what to say. Bye, got it, right, gotcha. Gotcha means I understand. So by this way, you can end the call. So I hope you have learned how to talk over the phone in English with friends and family. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, stay safe and keep practicing. Bye bye.